Welcome to Tough News Garage. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to show you how to install the low fuel pressure sensor on a 2016 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. You're going to want to stay tuned because in video 2, I'm going to show you how to install the high pressure fuel sensor. A lot of you guys have been requesting this video. Here we are. Make sure that you guys' post notifications are turned on for the next available video. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I love you all. We'll see you soon. Before we go ahead and get started removing the high pressure fuel sensor and the low pressure fuel sensor, which will be part 2 for the low, high for part 1, or we're going to do that in reverse. The low now and then the high on the next video. So make sure that you follow along. It's really not that complicated. What you're going to do is open your door. You're going to go in your back seat, which is super duper easy. You pull your seat forward, you're going to see the fuel control module right here. And that's all really that you guys have to do is just push down on the tab and pull it out. Now we're inside the car. So what you're going to go ahead and do is push on the brake. If you have manual, just make sure you're in neutral. Start her up. Let her run. And basically that's all you're doing is you're allowing all the fuel that is in the fuel line to just run out, because you're not feeding it any more fuel. And you'll start hearing it and feeling it and seeing it. It will start sound like it's popping and trying to struggle to stay alive. That's a good thing. That means the car is actually starting to die. I can already feel the hesitation in the car already, and it's only been a few seconds. As soon as the fuel goes through, you don't need to press the gas, leave that all alone. The car will die on its own. See, it's already starting to. And bam. The car died. So that's all you gotta do is just turn her off. She will not start again. Once she dies, that's it. All the fuel is out of the line. You don't need to do anything else other than getting the sensor. Here we are in the engine bay. As you guys can see, you got your low pressure fuel sensor here. The high one is underneath this girl here. So we're gonna be doing that on a separate video. What you're gonna wanna do here is you're gonna see this tab here, okay, which is the electrical connector that goes to the sensor. I'm gonna take off this pigtail, push the tab down as far as it can go and pull up, and it should come out. Now this is still going to spill some fuel. No matter what we did, it's still gonna have some fuel in the line. What you wanna go ahead and do is get yourself 2 monkey wrenches. And one's basically just going to hold the line. Make sure that this line isn't gonna turn while you're turning the sensor. And you're gonna click it out. It shouldn't be too tight. It should relatively be pretty easy to come out. Take it out. There she is. Video guys, to let you guys know, if you are searching for mirrors, SumaProformance has your back. I'm going to show you how nice these mirrors are, and once I'm able to get them on the road, I'm going to show you how well they look right here on Tough Build Customs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like right now on the car. SumaProformance's brand new magnificent mirrors, blue tint, as well as a whole bunch of other packages. They do offer 3 stages of this mirror, and the first stage is a blinker with a defroster. Also, keep in mind, it is also blue tinted. This mirror right here is coated with ceramic coated, so you don't have to worry about any water or any dust sticking to your mirror at all. This has a 360 point of view, so no more blind spot needed. This mirror has 2 other trims that come around with it. One, a defroster, and the second one is going to be a blind spot monitoring system that you will have to wire into your vehicle. So now I'm going to show you what the difference is between their mirror and the OEM mirror. So as you guys can tell, the OEM mirror is very glary. You can't really see. There's a lot of stuff going on there. So let's go ahead and bring up mine, and you will see theirs. Once again, mine, and you will see theirs. So they have really nice mirrors. If you get them right now in the description down below, or click the link at the top of the video, you can save 10% off on these mirrors. So go ahead and take your time. Once again, thank you, SumaProformance, for allowing me to review these mirrors. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, right back into the Mustang Ecoboost. Make sure that you plug back in your fuel pump control module. That's very, very important. On this note, what you're going to go ahead and do not put your foot on the brake. That is a big no-no. You do not want to start the car. You want to prime the car. The best way to prime the car is go ahead and locate your start to stop engine button, which is right here. You're going to go ahead and hit that, turn it on. You're going to hear everything turn on, charms, turn it off, turn on, turn off. You're going to do that 3 more times, ladies and gentlemen. That's 3, 4, 5. Once you guys have done the 5 times, go ahead and pull her out, turn over the engine, and you should have your fuel pressure back. That's what I'm hoping for anyways. Hope you guys did the job right. Well, let me know down in the comment section down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys did this installation yourself, or did you take it to a mechanic? Tough Build loves to hear the stories. Well, that is pretty much how you install a low fuel pressure sensor on a 2016 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. Stay tuned, guys. Like I said in the beginning, we are going to be doing the high pressure fuel sensor, which a lot of you guys have been posting on the forums. Where is it at? How do I get to it? How do I remove it? How do I? I'm also going to be sharing the part number with you guys, so you're not going to have to search for it. So make sure that you guys go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side so you guys get post notifications when I do post my next video. My name is Tough Build Customs, and I thank every single one of you from the bottom of my heart from getting me to rock bottom to rock top. You guys are blowing it up. Let's keep building Tough Build Customs. I love you all. Once again, my name is Chris. I'll see you guys later.